Hey, what's up everyone? So you're trying to use Telegram, but you're just getting locked out, right? Don't worry, because I'm going to show you a way to fix that, and it's actually way faster, lighter, and just plain smarter than the usual solutions. So let's just get right into it.
You know that feeling, right? You open up Telegram and you're just hit with that endless connecting or updating wheel of doom. Ugh, it is the worst. You know the app is working, you know your internet is fine, but something, somewhere is blocking you, and you're totally cut off.
Now, I know what you're thinking. Your first instinct is probably to fire up a VPN, right? And look, VPNs are awesome, they're powerful tools, but for this one specific job, just unblocking Telegram, they're kind of like using a sledgehammer to crack a nut. What if I told you there's a much more elegant, more efficient solution that's already built right into the Telegram app itself? Okay, you're gonna love this.
We are talking about something called a proxy server. The easiest way to think about it is like a middleman. So instead of your phone connecting straight to Telegram, it first connects to this proxy server, and then the proxy connects to Telegram for you. This means all Telegram ever sees is the proxy's location, not yours. It totally hides your real location and just sidesteps any of those annoying blocks. Specifically, we're going to be talking about SOCKS5 proxies. Just remember that name, SOCKS5. They are perfect for this.
Okay, so check this out. This is how it works. It's so simple. Your message leaves your phone, but instead of going directly, it takes a quick detour to a proxy server somewhere else in the world. Let's say it's in Germany for this example. Then from Germany, it goes to Telegram servers. And the replies, they just take the same route back. So the block in your country doesn't even see you. It just sees a normal connection from Germany. It's clean, it's effective, and it is super fast.
So let's quickly talk about how this is different from a VPN. A VPN doesn't just handle one app. Oh no, it takes your entire device, every single app, your web browser, everything, and wraps all of that traffic in a heavily encrypted tunnel. It's like putting your entire house inside an armored truck just to send a letter. It's incredibly secure, but all that heavy lifting, well, it definitely comes at a cost.
All right, let's put them head to head. I love this chart because it makes it so obvious. A proxy is a scalpel. It targets only Telegram. A VPN is that sledgehammer we talked about. It reroutes your entire device, and that difference is huge. A proxy is way faster because it doesn't have all that heavy encryption, which is crucial for watching videos or downloading files. It uses way less of your battery and data. And the setup? It's built right into Telegram. No extra apps to download. For just unblocking Telegram, it's a no-brainer.
So let's just really hammer this home. For just getting into Telegram, a proxy wins hands down. Why? Number 1, speed. It is so much faster. Number 2, it only affects Telegram, so your Netflix and web browsing stay on your normal fast connection. 3, it's a battery saver, which is a huge deal on your phone. 4, the setup is ridiculously easy. It's already in the app. 5, you can find tons of great free options. And finally, it gives you just enough privacy to get the job done. It hides your IP to beat the block. It's exactly what you need and nothing you don't.
Okay, enough theory. You're probably saying, just show me how to do it already. You got it. Let me show you how ridiculously easy this is. I'm talking under 30 seconds. First things first, pop open Telegram and head on over to your settings.
Perfect. Once you're in the settings menu, just look for the option that says Data and Storage. It's usually a little ways down the list. Go ahead and give that a tap.
All right, now in this menu, you're just going to scroll all the way down to the bottom. See that very last option there? Proxy settings? That is our golden ticket. Tap on it.
You're almost there. In this screen, tap the Add Proxy button. Now this next part is super important. It's going to give you a few options. Make sure you select SOCKS5. That's the one we want. It works perfectly with Telegram.
And this is the final step. You just copy and paste the proxy details right here. The server, the port, and a username and password if it needs one. Hit that little check mark up top to connect, and boom, you are done. That's it. Your Telegram is now running through the proxy, and you should be totally unblocked.
See, I told you it was easy. But that brings up the biggest question of all, doesn't it? Where on earth do you find the details for a good proxy that's actually fast, that's reliable, and that isn't going to just die on you in 5 minutes?
Because, let's be real, searching online is a total nightmare. You Google free SOCKS5 proxy, and you get these endless lists of servers that are slow, they're overloaded, or they're just junk. They don't work. What you really need is one good place to find fast, free proxies that are updated every single day and tested to work with Telegram.
Honestly, this exact problem frustrated me so much that I decided to just build the solution myself.
So I run a dedicated Telegram channel that does one thing and one thing only. It posts fresh, working SOCKS5 proxies every single day. There are no ads, no paid plans, no catches. It is completely free just for the community.
So let's wrap this all up. The big takeaway here is really simple. To get back into a blocked Telegram, forget about those heavy, battery-killing VPNs. A simple SOCKS5 proxy is the smart, it's the lightweight, and it's the fast solution that was practically made for this job.
So there you have it, the smarter way to unblock Telegram. So what's next? Head straight down to the pinned comment right below this explainer. I've put the link to my free daily proxy channel right there for you. Click it, join, grab a proxy, and you'll be back online in seconds. And hey, if this helped you out, a quick tap of the like button and a subscribe would be absolutely amazing. Thanks so much for watching and enjoy your free-flowing Telegram.